Here you can see a stunning meandering stream gently carving its way through this narrow green valley. The way it bends and curves feels almost poetic, like nature is painting its own signature across the landscape. These are the cows peacefully grazing on the fresh mountain grass, completely at ease in this wide open valley. The way they move slowly across the hillside adds such a gentle pastoral beauty to the landscape. Scenes like this remind you how simple and calm life can be in the mountains.